Hello. Today I'm going to talk about using be going to in questions about the future. My friend Joe is going to graduate next month. I'm going to help him with his graduation party. I have some questions for him. Who is he going to invite? When is he going to send the invitations? Where is he going to have the party? Are we going to cook? Is he going to order food from a restaurant? For yes/no questions with be going to, put am, is, or are before the subject. For example, is he going to cook? Are we going to cook? To answer yes, use these short answers. Yes, I am. Yes, he is. Yes, she is. Yes, we are. Yes, they are. To answer no, we usually use contractions. No, I'm not. No, he's not. No, she's not. No, we're not. No, they're not. Or, no, he isn't. No, she isn't. No, we aren't. No, they aren't. We do not use contractions with affirmative short answers. For example, are you going to eat dinner now? Yes, I am. Not. To ask for information about something, we ask a WH question. We use a WH word with the correct form of the verb be, followed by a subject, then going to, and the base form of the verb. For example, what am I going to cook? When is he going to cook? Or, where are you going to cook? For a WH question about the subject, use who or what, followed by is going to, and the base form of the verb. For example, who is going to cook? What is going to start? You're almost finished with Focus on Grammar 1. What are you going to do next? Are you going to continue to the next level?